Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your both gents and ladies sweater, and also you can knit this as a blanket, baby's blanket. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 22 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6, 3 times 6 18 plus 2 extra stitch 20 and 2 edge stitch 22. So row 1 right side, purl all stitches. This edge stitch knit on the right side first and then purl all stitches. And your edge stitch knit on the right side. So we have done row 1. Now row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, knit all stitches. Row 2 right side, so wrong side, knit all stitches. Edge stitch yarn in front, purl on the wrong side. So we have done row 1 and row 2. Now row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 and knit 4. Repeat that again. We have 2 more repeats. Purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Now row 4 wrong side. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 and purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 and purl 4. Again knit 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more repeat. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. row 5 right side, row 5 right side, knit edge row 1, edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here, purl 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Purl 2, knit 4. Again purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, for row 6, knit edge row 4, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat. Knit 2 and purl 4. Again knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 7 right side, row 7 right side, your edge stitch slip, and start the repeat from here, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then purl 2. Sorry, that's the repeat. Purl 2, knit 4. Again purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more repeat. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And your last 3 stitch, purl 2, edge stitch, knit. Row 8 last row, row 8 last row, knit edge row 4, your edge stitch slip, start the repeat, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Knit 2 and purl 4. Again knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And your last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, and in front, purl on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.